Connect Plus Primary 1, Term 1.
Hi everyone, let's start Connect Plus for Primary 1, Term 1. Let's remember colors. Listen, point, and say. 1. Red, red, red. 2. Blue, blue, blue. 3. Yellow, yellow, yellow. 4. Green, green, green. 5. Orange, orange, orange. 6. Purple, purple, purple. 7. White, white, white. 8. Black, black, black. 2. Read and color. Say. 1. A yellow pole, a yellow pole. 2. A green apple, a green apple. 3. A red strawberry, a red strawberry. 4. A brown teddy bear, a brown teddy bear. What are your favorite clothes? My favorite t-shirt is yellow. My favorite t-shirt is yellow. Now color and trace. 1. Red, red. 2. White, white. 3. Black, black. 4. Purple, purple. 5. Orange, orange. 6. Yellow, yellow. Number 2. Color and complete. It's a green and white pole, pole. P A L L, pole. It's a green and white pole. Number 2. It's a blue pen. P E N, pen. It's a blue pen. 3. It's an orange bag, bag. B A G, bag, bag. Now listen, count, and say. Trace. 1. 1. 1 car, 1 car. 1. 2. 2 robots, 2 robots. 1. 2. 3. 3 cats, 3 cats. 1. 2. 3. 4. 4 ducks, 4 ducks. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 cakes, 5 cakes. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 6 kites, 6 kites. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 7 balls, 7 balls. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 yo-yos. 8 yo-yos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lemons. 9 lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candles. 10 candles. Now it's your turn. Read and draw. Draw 2 rectangles. 2 rectangles. 2 rectangles. 4 squares. 4 squares. 5 triangles. 5 triangles. 7 circles. 7 circles. Now let's revise shapes. Square. Square. Triangle. 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 Circle. 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 Rectangle. 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 Now count and write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 poles. 8 poles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cakes. 5 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ants. 10 ants. 1, 2, 3. 3 birds. 3 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cars. 4 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pens. 9 pens. 1, 2. 2 cats. 2 cats. 1. 1 robot. 1 robot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons. 6 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candles. 7 candles. Now it's your turn. Read and circle. I can see 2 or 3 red circles. These are 4 or 5 blue squares. There are 6 or 7 green triangles.
Listen and point. Then trace.
A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, S, T, A, V, W, يا. Z